bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box door and requires uninstalling the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or use a pair of pliers. Remove the glove box door. Uninstall the bolt on the filter housing using an 8mm socket. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1095C filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Install the first filter and push it all the way to the right to make room for the other. Insert the other filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the housing door screw. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box. Once the glove box is aligned, reinstall the two securing clips by threading them through and pushing until secure. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.